Good afternoon, Liberty Tax Z's. This is Robert Linkonis, owner of Credit Restoration Associates. I cannot believe it's 2019, another year. And I also can't believe we've been with Liberty for 7 years as a plus vendor. Check out our ZNet page. We're very, very, very excited. But it's been 7 years. Many of you have seen us at the last, all of the conventions we've had vendor booths at, and helped many of you personally, helped a lot of your customers fix their credit, save their lives, save their marriages, change lives, become homeowners. It's just, credit repair is a miraculous event. And I'm excited again to just welcome everyone. Our affiliate program is still strong, and this year is going to be no different. It's going to be, as usual, just ask the customers, would you like a free credit consultation? It's just simple as that. Have the preparers ask every single customer, would you like a free credit consultation with our credit repair law firm? We're not Lexington Law, obviously. We have an attorney on staff, Jason Crumbine. We are a credit repair law firm, which we will get the credit reports fixed. We will get the FICO score where it needs to be for your customers to become homeowners. If you're selling insurance in your Liberty Tax stores, keep in mind, tell the customers the premium is what it is, but enroll in the credit repair program. And in a year, we're going to requote your insurance policy based with new information based on improved credit. It's not any breach of fiduciary duty of loyalty to your insurance carrier to re-quote based on new information. So keep in mind, yes, you're going to sell the insurance policy, you're going to sell the credit repair, we'll refer them to us and we're going to pay you, and you're going to get the customer back and maybe sell a new insurance policy in a year. It's a beautiful thing. Credit repair is awesome. Our prices, we have everything's case specific, and just tell the customers that, but we're not expensive, and just refer them to us and let us take care of it. $50 a referral, let's just it always is. Let's get thousands and thousands of dollars paid to you guys for the end of the tax season. And I'm excited. Call us 804-823-9601 or 800-648-5157. www.creditra.com. Robert Linkonis, Credit Restoration Associates. Look forward to making this an incredible tax season again with Liberty. Thanks. Have a good weekend.